My name is Peter Bancken. I'm from Signify, and my talk is about printed electronics. Is that an opportunity for lighting applications? My talk is divided in 4 parts. One part is about generic Signify, second about life cycle analysis we did on our products. That goes smoothly over in the printed electronics, and then also the printed electronics in lighting applications. So starting with Signify, we're the formerly known as Philips Lighting. So we're the global leader in lighting, and we are busy with 3 parts. One is with the light sources, which is not the LED but the light sources. If you combine that with the driver and the housing, then you have the luminaires. And if you combine the luminaires, then you have the systems, and you can do the services as well. We're the number 1 in LED, connected lighting, but also still in conventional lighting. You know our brand from Philips. We're still using the brand Philips for the consumers, and for the professional area we use Interact. Besides those 2, there are many, many other brands we use for special products. Sustainability is core for our business, not only because of the electro-efficient portfolio, but also because we would like to improve the society, but also to save the planet, to help to save the planet. And that's also recognized by many awards. And to help to save the planet, you have to know what's your product doing. So what we did, here you see the cross-section of our products: outdoor luminaires, indoor luminaires, industrial luminaires for offices, consumers, and for spot applications for hospitality. And if you look to the life cycle analysis, then you see that at the highest level you have 4 different categories. The make phase of the product, the use phase of the product, the end-of-life phase, and the recycling phase. And if you look to all those cross-section of our products, you see that the use phase is the most important one. That's the dominant factor for our products in the global warming potential, so in the CO2 and NOx emission. 95% of the impact. And that has to do, of course, because we have an electrical product using a lot of electricity over time, because it is a very long lifetime. That has to do more at the moment with the electricity origin of the electricity. So if you use this in Poland, it will be worse than you do it in Norway with the renewable energy. So our influence on this is limited at the moment. With life cycle analysis, you look also to other parameters, and it was also mentioned in this previous talk, and that's about, So the focus for us was on the electricity use in the past. So 150 years ago, we started with 10, 15 lumens per electrical watt, meaning the efficiency, so 10 to 15 candles. And we improved in 150 years to about 210, 220 lumens per electrical watt. Despite this enormous improvement, you saw in the previous slide that still 95% is in the electricity. So in the life cycle, we also look to other parameters, and one of them is the ADPE. So looking to natural resources like metals and minerals. And then you see in those products that it is going to change from only the use phase also to the make phase. They are more or less the same. And if you go one level deeper, what is the contribution of all the components of the luminaire to this make phase? Then you see that the housing, the M-BOM, the optics are limited, but you see that electrical components are quite high. And in the point sources, the light source is small, but then the driver is very important. And if you go to the line or area sources, then the LED module is getting more and more important. And here you see an exploded view of a panel, and then we have 6 LED